Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook delicious Guyanese-style pumpkin. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of pumpkin, peeled and diced into small, uniform pieces. We'll also use 1 small onion, 5 cloves of garlic, and a wiri pepper for that authentic kick. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, and a dash of black pepper. Some recipes also include a large tomato, fresh thyme, and a touch of curry powder for extra depth. Now, let's get our ingredients ready. Start by peeling your pumpkin and cutting it into small, consistent 1/2-inch cubes. This ensures even cooking. Next, finely chop your onion and mince the garlic cloves. If you're using a wiri pepper, dice it carefully, removing the seeds if you prefer a milder dish. Finally, wash your diced pumpkin thoroughly and set it aside, ready for the pot. With everything prepped, it's time to cook. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add your chopped onion, minced garlic, and wiri pepper, sautéing for about 5 minutes until they become fragrant and tender. Then, add the diced pumpkin, 1 teaspoon of salt, and any optional spices like thyme or curry powder. Cover the pot, reduce the heat to medium-low, and let it steam for 15 to 20 minutes, stirring occasionally until the pumpkin is soft. To finish, once the pumpkin is tender, use your spoon to gently mash some of the pieces, creating a lovely, creamy texture. If the mixture seems a bit dry, you can add about 1/4 cup of water to achieve your desired consistency. Then, increase the heat to medium-high and cook uncovered for about 5 minutes to reduce any excess liquid. Your flavorful Guyanese pumpkin is now ready to be enjoyed, perfect alongside warm roti or fluffy rice.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.